Hi, my name is Cristian Fabian Jejen Fuentes. I am 26 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Tuluá. I work in work center. My hobby is going to the movies. I live with my wife and study radiology technology. My favorite food is the tripe paisa. My favorite series is the Game of Thrones. My favorite sport is soccer. My routine is in the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. I take my breakfast and leave for the office. I finish my homework at 5 p.m. In the night, study until 9 p.m. Sometimes I go to the gym. On weekends I rest. I go to the church in the morning. In the afternoon I go out to dinner. And I also go to the movies with my wife after visit my family. Thank you. Bye.